Alrighty, welcome back. This is part 3. Going to wrap it up. I believe we only have 2 more questions to go, and I hope you've already done it, so you can just see what the answer looks like. Let's get started. All right, we have a real world problem here where Ismail and Ahmed were vacationing on vacation, renting mopeds on the beach, and they both rented mopeds. Ismail was non-refundable 25 plus 17 per hour, and Ahmed 18 and 20 per hour. The question is, they both rode their mopeds 4 hours. Who paid the most and how much more? So go ahead and answer that question. And again, I hope you've already done so. All right, so our equations would be for Ishmael, 17 an hour plus $25 non-refundable fee. And in both cases, H represents how many hours they rented the moped. And Ahmed's a little bit different, $18 an hour. And he only paid 20 for his, $18 an hour. Oops, that's backwards. Hello again, this is Mr. E, and we're going to wrap up our lesson on finding the value of an algebraic expression. This is part 3. Let's get started. Okay, so we have a real world problem. Let's say that 5 times fast. Ismail and Ahmed were on vacation, and they both rented mopeds. And Ismail paid a fee of 25 and 17 an hour, whereas Ahmed had a fee of 18 and he paid 20 per hour. If they both rode their mopeds 4 hours, who paid the most and by how much? So we have a 2-part question here. So go ahead and pause the video and come back and give me an answer. Okay, so here are our expressions. For Ismail, 17 hour plus he paid 25 rental fee. And in both cases, we're going to let R represent the number of hours that the person rented the moped. Ahmed paid 20 an hour, but his rental fee was only 18. So we're going to evaluate both of the expressions for hours equals 4. So let's look at what we got here. So 17 times 4 plus 25 for Ishmael gives him 68 plus 25. He paid $93 for 4 hours, whereas Ahmed paid 20 times 4, that's 80 for the rental, but he paid 20 per hour, 80 for 4 hours, plus he paid 18 rental fee. So he paid 98 minus 93. He paid $5 more. So to answer the question, who paid the most? Ahmed did, and by how much? $5. All right, the final one, number 10. To find the perimeter of a square, Mr. Austin students use the formula of perimeter equals 4 times the side. What's the difference in the perimeter of 2 squares? One has a side of 4 and one has a side of 4 3/8 inches. So go ahead and answer that one for me. All right, so here's the answer. So the first square is the side equals 4. So perimeter is 4 times 4, which would give us 16. The second one is 4 3/8. 4 times 4 3/8 gives us 17 and a half. And the question is a 2-part. What's the difference? It's 1 part. What's the difference? The difference would be 17 and a half minus 16, which would be 1 1/2 inches. All right, that's it. And again, you've already evaluated expressions. That just didn't really tell you the official name, if you will, of what you were doing, but just means plug in or substitute a value for the variable and see what your answer is. All right, so next video or next lesson, we'll get some practice in. Talk to you soon.